We'll guide you through how to export MP3 in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to extract music, background audio, podcasts, or voice recordings from videos and save them as MP3 files. To begin this tutorial, make sure Wondershare Filmora has already been downloaded and installed on your device before starting the editing process. After that, double-click the Filmora application icon to open the software and wait until the main interface appears completely. Once the application is fully opened, select New Project to create a fresh editing workspace for your file. Next, click File in the top left corner of the screen and choose Project Settings from the available menu options. Adjust the project size according to your needs, and then click OK to save the settings before continuing. After completing the setup, click Import and choose the video file that contains the music you want to extract, then click Open to upload the media into Filmora. Drag and drop the imported video into the timeline section so it can be edited properly. When the Match to Media notification appears, simply select Match to Media because the video resolution is not very important for exporting audio files. After that, move to the top right corner of the interface and locate the Export button. Click the small downward arrow icon beside the Export button to display more export options. From the available choices, select Export to Device to continue the exporting process. In the Selected Device section, switch to the Local option so you can save the file directly to your computer storage. Find the Format option and change the export format to MP3 for audio output. If needed, click Advanced to access more detailed export settings. For example, you can change the bitrate setting to 256 for better audio quality. Once all settings are ready, click Apply and then click Export to begin the conversion process. After the exporting process finishes, a Converted Successfully notification will appear on the screen. Click the folder icon and Filmora will automatically open File Manager, where the exported MP3 file has been successfully saved.